My name is Abla. I came from Baka camp in Amman. Originally, I'm Palestinian refugees, one of the Palestinian refugees. And I used to be a literature teacher. Then I quit teaching for many reasons. To be honest, I tried a lot for many years to buy land, and because it's very expensive in Amman, I find this area is something good for my situation. So I bought 600 meters, and after 9 months of starting planting and introduce myself to my neighbors, try to help them, I discovered that my neighbor is Geoff Nadia, and those people are famous in permaculture. I watched a lot of videos, read some books about it, but I have never thought that I am their neighbor. So they invited me to the course, the BDC course, Permaculture Design. I attended the class, and they were amazing people, taught us a lot of things, make my job in this place, which is very hard, poor soil, filled with rocks, make it easy. They make it easy for me. And Geoff taught us a lot of things, And I start slowly practicing what I have learned there, with their help, with their supervision. Storms, some dogs attack the site, destroy plant many times, but every time I start from the beginning, and I'm happy, I'm satisfied. I think I have my own corner, which is green, which is beautiful, which is peaceful. And maybe I have to mention something. I was very sick at the city. I was under stress. My health and my mind was, I don't find even the vocabulary to describe the situation. But during focusing on digging, planting, watering, observation, watch the plants start coming day by day, I kept myself busy, and I find this is happiness. It's happy life, healthy life, and now I have my food. 3 months I didn't visit the city or the near village to bring food. I have cabbage, eggplants, tomato, potato, and for the first time I discovered that this is very delicious. Even I have chicken. So those are my beautiful birds. We call them Fayoumi. They are suitable for the hot area, and my breakfast, my lunch, and I start even sending them like gifts to my daughter, to my neighbors, to my family. Look at this. I love it. And the taste is amazing, something you will not believe it. I'm making my compost, selling compost, use it in my land, sift it. I have worms to harvest some vermicompost. I'm using the juice, and I'm using the vermi. I'm using, look at, they are happy and they are active, see? So I use this vermi with the compost to grow my plants, and in future I think this will be 4 or 5. The juice is coming there. I can use it also to get rid of some disease which attack the plants without using any chemicals. I have nitrogen fixer, I have sugarcane, I have dates, some vegetables. So sometimes I love to eat it direct, sometimes I'm cooking. So this is very tasty. Here I start with seeds. This is oak. I brought it from the north. Most of it nitrogen fixers because this is new and I have to make it stable. A lot of compost. You see all the ground is filled with compost because if you see this soil is very poor and very bad and filled with rocks. So adding compost, adding manure, adding vermicompost, chop and drop, and nitrogen fixer is building the soil. So I'm building the soil and till now I'm satisfied and happy. I have olives, mango, dates, Tacoma, Lucina, Albizalabek, and also some vegetables like spinach, tomato, potato, a lot of nice things. This is about 1 and 4 months, so in near future, I think in 2 years, 3 years, this will be amazing. The edge of the site, like terraces, I bought some baskets, which originally they use it to build gabions. So I fill it with the rocks, which was filling the land, and see the large amount of rocks to protect the site from animals, from strangers, and also from the water which comes and destroy and take the soil out. So now I'm harvesting all the water from the neighbors, from the mountain, everywhere, and take it without any damage, without any problem. I'm happy for this. And you know, this site is a little bit slopey, so adding a lot of mulch and using that creeping plants hold the soil in the place. If you see there, I have bees. Soon we will have honey, inshallah. I have bees. And before I brought it, this is 2 weeks, I start the seeds to encourage the bees by planting moringa. I have moringa here, I have moringa there, and another one there, and about 6 or 7 moringas. I have figs and all of these nice things just for the bees and for the view, because I love to sit there watching my homeland Palestine and look at this amazing view. Also I have mint, herbs, a lot of herbs, and I have this cabbage, which is very delicious. I can eat a lot of fresh things. I have jasmine here because I'm planning to cover it. You know, this is a desert and it's very hot at summer, so I'm planning to cover it as I did in that area. I'll show you this area. I'm trying to protect the building from the sun, so in next year I think this will be covered and we will remove this iron. No need. So the shade will come from the plants. I have sunflowers. Beautiful view. I can feed myself with this amazing. And the bees, look at the bees there. They are happy. I have strawberry, which is very delicious. Organic, without chemicals, and all of this because of what we learned from the Greening the Desert project with Geoff Luton, with Nadia Luton, with Adam, with all the people. The amazing stuff there gave us a lot of basic skills to establish such a thing. This is the first time for me to harvest the ceiling, the roof, by bringing the water from the roof through that pipe, and happily I filled this winter. I filled it 5 times, which means 5 meters from the roof and I find it amazing. So also the gabion, I use it just to make the tank higher. And there I have mango, there I have guava. What amazing things. All these herbs. I have banana here also. This is fake olive. And climbing on the edge. So soon I will cover this small lovely building and get some shade. This is the beginning. I began from this spot. Maybe you can feel the breeze and the shade here. So I use it like my nursery, using cuttings, breeding and sending to the rest of the site. I have tomato. I have a lot of nice climbing vegetables, fruit, some nice plants, succulent and cactus, all kinds. So this is like a nursery, especially in hot days. And I think this is good. I think I'm doing well. Our success, look at that, amazing. I put it small and day by day things are coming, so I'm satisfied. I think all what I need is just time and water. Everything will be okay. This one, I love it. It's very strong. The shape of the leaves like heart, so it comes from leaf hearted. I think this will cover all this area. Here is the favorite place which I can sit, I can clean my dishes, I can sleep, I can even sit with my guests. I have visitors, and you can see everywhere this area. One day, inshallah, maybe we will bombing that mount with some seeds and make it more green and change this desert to green corner for us, for our future, for our children. And for this, I think the message is green your place if you want to live safe. We destroyed a lot of things. We damage a lot of things, and this is the time to correct all the mistakes. We torch this planet by bad behaviors, and inshallah this is a small step, and in future inshallah we will see good results for us and for our children.